Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for hanging out with me a bit today. I'm excited because we're going to be getting into my latest Armoire collection. And these are all my picks. If you're new, I'm Laura, White's White Puppy Dog, Zena's the Tan. We hope you stick around for the long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on creating new content for you. It's only because of you that I can keep on going with my channel. So I so appreciate all of your amazing support. If you're new to Armoire, this is a premium clothing rental service. So these are all styles that you can rent starting at around $60 to $70 and going all the way up to like $500, depending on what you would like to rent. They have all the things from the athleisure the whole way up to the black tie type of events. So I love this service. They also have maternity wear. If you don't want to invest in a whole new wardrobe, this would be the way to go. Okay. Also like cruise wear, vacations, those things where you really want some amazing statement pieces, but you don't want to invest in it. They offer several different options with their clothing, as well as you can pick all your pieces yourself. You can have a stylist pick all your pieces, or you can do a combination of both. All right, let's talk about the different type of capsules that they offer. There's 3 of them. The one that I'm going to be sharing with you is the unlimited capsule. And the unlimited capsule means that you get 6 items at a time and you can swap them during the month. So if I were to wear all of them, I don't have to wait a month to get new pieces. I can swap them out and get new pieces. And you don't have to return the bag that you have until you've received your next bag of clothing. So you always have clothing rotating in your possession, right? You always have pieces to wear. So if you don't need that many clothes, but you would like to give it a try, they have a 7-item capsule, and that means that you get 7 items for a month. You don't get to swap them out. You just pick 7 items. You get 7 items to wear for that entire month, and then when your next month comes in, you return those. So you have 7 items all the time each month to be able to wear. And then they have a 4-item capsule. If 7 is too much, you just want a little bit of statement pieces to add some flair to your style, you can go with the 4-item capsule, and it works the same as the 7, so 4 items per month for you to be able to incorporate into your wardrobe. So for pricing of these, the unlimited is $249 a month, which means that you're always having clothes available to you. $249 a month. If you use my link, you'll get 50% off that first collection, plus you get 2 free bonus items. So I would take it down to $124.50 for that first month. The 7-item capsule is $119. If you use my link, you would get 35% off, $77.35, plus the 2 bonus items in your first bag. And then the 4-item capsule is $89 a month, $66.75 if you use my link for that first month, and you get 25% off plus the 2 bonus items. All right, let's dig into my pieces. So as I've done it where I've let the stylist pick all of them. I tell them what I'm looking for and they pick all the pieces. I've done it where I've picked a couple and then I've let them pick the rest. And then I've done it where I pick all of them. So these are an I pick all of them bag. All right, they come wrapped up in twine. My twine has come loose, which is perfect because I don't need it right now. And let's go through my pieces. So first up, this is a pair of DL 1961 denim, and these are called the Enora Cigarette High Rise Cropped. So these are super cute. I like the leg style, so hopefully these fit me perfectly. They're a size 26, which is my normal size. And we're going to get to these. I like these. I think the wash is pretty too. Plus I could wear them in the office because they don't have any holes in them. So these are $209 regular price. If I wanted to keep them, I'd get 20% off and they would be $167. I will say that Armoire also always has specials going on. So you can get like an extra $20 off or an extra 15%, something like that. There's almost always specials going on once you become a member and start to really rent the clothes. Okay, so next up, I have another DL 1961 denim. I haven't tried DL 1961 for a while, so I'm excited to try these. These are the Patti High Rise Straight Leg Jean. These look really nice. These have a little bit of stretch in them. And these are also size 26, my normal size. Also 209 and 167, 20% off if I want to keep them. All right, so then the last pair of pants, these are by All Saints. They are called the Dani Denim High Rise Cotton Jogger. These just looked fun, so I really wanted to try them. They are denim, but they're very soft. You can see those pockets, the elastic waist, or yes, this is your waist. Elastic ankle. And then pockets in the back. All right, so, and like, what color is this? It is a very, almost like a blue gray. You guys can see that? Almost a blue gray. All right, what else do I have? I have a Lilla P long sleeve shawl neck cotton top. It's nice, I like this color. How cute is that? All right. And these All Saint joggers, I think I forgot to say how much they were. They retail for $169. If I wanted to keep them, they'd be 26% off, $125. The Lilla P long sleeve shawl, $128. If I want to keep it, 15% off at $109. And it goes perfectly with this jacket by Avec Le Fay. I always say it wrong, Avec Le Fay. For the girls, right? So I love this little trench in this dark green color. Is this not the most beautiful jacket? I love this. So it is a trench style, lined, beautiful, right? This color is amazing. Okay, can't wait to try that on. It's called the Belted Faux Leather Trench Coat. It's an extra small. $228 is the retail. If I wanted to keep it, 20% off, it would be $182. So beautiful. We'll have to see if I can part with it. All right, and then the last item is a Michael Stars sweater. This is the Louisa cable knit Pointelle pullover. Is that not cute? Just in a simple black. And this is an extra small. It retails for $178. If I wanted to keep it, 28% off, and it would be $128. Those are my pieces. I can't wait to get to this try on. First outfit. All right, I have on the All Saints jogger, the Michael Stars sweater. I love this outfit. It is so adorable. The pants are incredibly soft. They're a little bit cropped, so they'd be cute with a boot, bootie, or shoe. The little elastic here at the ankle, I think, is really nice. The fun little side pork chop pockets. The color, this faded like light gray, is really nice, and I love it against the contrast of the black sweater. What do you think of these? I'm enjoying them a lot. And then the Michael Stars sweater, really, really nice. I did have to put like a little half cami on underneath it because it is kind of see-through here in the front. So I did go for just a half cami. And I think this one is very soft and very nice as well. You could dress this up or go casual with it. I feel like either of these pieces, I think they're really nice. I always have to resist the urge to keep stuff because I always want to. And then I'm like, the point of this is to always have new, exciting statement pieces or fun clothes in your closet, and don't keep them, don't keep them, don't keep them. There's my Trust-a-thon that I really like. I always think, oh, I might have to keep these. Let's do another outfit. Next up, I have on the little V-neck top and the cropped DL 1961 denim. These are so nice, hitting me right at my ankle. They feel awesome on. They have some stretch, but not a lot, so they're going to hold their shape. They look fabulous. So let this shawl collar, they're calling it here, in this really nice yummy green. Has a nice weight to it. I did a front tuck, but you could also leave it out. This is what it looks like so you can see how long it is. Super cute, right? It really has a nice shape to it. It comes in on the sides, giving you shape, drawing attention to the waist. I'm enjoying this one. Yeah, I think these denim might have to come with me on my next work trip. They're very nice. One more outfit. This outfit is so yummy. I just can't. I feel like I could just walk right into work with this outfit, put on a great belt, and I am like set to go. I love this jacket. So this one reminds me of another one that I got that I am in love with in the cream. So this is just so beautiful. I think I might have to keep it. I love everything about it. I would get a discount if I kept it. It's just so yummy. Here's what it looks like if I tie it. And that looks beautiful. Like, you could wear it all day like this, right? It's not too heavy that it's uncomfortable. It just feels like a nice layer on top. It does have the pockets here in the front, little flappy pockets. The color is just gorgeous. Perfect for fall, winter, spring, holidays. Just gorgeous. I'm like drooling over this. This is a faux pocket. I love it with this top, by the way. So if I keep this jacket, I feel like I need to keep the top. They just go so well together. Gorgeous. All right. Yeah, I wish you could feel it. It just feels so, so, so nice. And then paired back to these DL 1961 denim, these are really nice also. They are full length for me, hitting me at the top of my foot. My normal size, they're fitting perfectly. They have a little bit of give, but not too much once again. Perfect. Like this awesome straight leg. What do you guys think? Is this not beautiful? It's beautiful. I know. It is. All right, so this one is going to be really hard for me because I loved every one of these pieces, and every time I send them back, I feel like I'm sending back my children, right? It's like, oh no, 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 don't go back. So we'll see what I can part with this time. I've been holding strong for the last few, even though I kept wanting to keep certain pieces. I haven't done it. This one I think is going to be a lot harder. I'm about as addicted to denim as I am jackets. So the fact that I have some really great bottoms in here is going to be tough. Let me know what you think. All right, so I'm going to list all these items down below in case you would like to put any of them in your next case or requesting them from your stylist. I also put all the information down below for Armoire in case you would like to give this service a try. I highly recommend it. It is a really nice way to freshen up your wardrobe without spending a ton of money. You need all the basics in your closet, but all the statement pieces you could just rent and send back and not pay that price. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. This was so much fun. I can't wait to read your comments. Don't forget to hit that like, hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, everybody.